So welcome again, guys. So here is the continuation for installing your Kongsberg software. So in my previous video I forgot to include this one. So if you face this issue when you install the Kongsberg, when you click this one, and it will appear to your screen that it is installing, but it will blink for a second and then it will disappear. So here is the answer on how to fix this issue. So all you need to do is to search here in the search box and type turn Windows feature. So you click this one, turn Windows feature on or off. So for some laptop it cannot hold the net framework of this software. Say for example Asus, Lenovo, or any type of laptop, but here in my laptop it can hold the framework of this software, so I did not check this box. So for some laptop you need to check this box. If you face the issue that you cannot install the Kongsberg, so you need to check this box and then click OK, and you need to wait for some time. After searching for required files, after this is done, it will ask you to restart your laptop, so you need to restart it. So let's wait for a while. Wait for a little while until the search for required files is done. So I forgot this one, guys, forgive me. In my previous video I forgot to tell you this one. So after applying changes, it will ask you to restart your laptop or desktop, and I suggest that you should restart your laptop. So let's wait for a while. So this is the solution, guys, if you face this problem in installing Kongsberg. So wait, guys, wait lang. Wait until this is finished. So I already experienced this one when I installed the Kongsberg. Even though I already turned off the Windows security, it is not I still failed to install it. But here's another thing to fix: turn Windows features on or off. So you need to check the first box. In my previous demo that I showed you a while ago. So after apply changes, so you need to close this one and it will ask you to restart. So I suggest you restart, but since I already started this laptop, so all you need to do is to click the extracted folder and then click again the setup, and it will be installed already. So it will be fixed. So thank you. I hope this video helps you guys. So thank you for watching the video, and please subscribe and leave a comment down below if you have clarifications. So thank you once again for visiting my channel, and hope you like it, and God bless you.